Hey everyone, it's JD, the Smart Cleaner. Just came from my dentist, getting a couple of teeth fixed. I had some surgeries here a while ago, and a few teeth died in the front, so they're just trying to sort them out for me. Listen, it's funny because when I was in my dentist, we had an interesting conversation about her business, and it just got me thinking, about success and entrepreneurs, and the reason you get into business for yourself and start your own cleaning business. And when you first think about that, I'm just wondering, what do you think about? What are you thinking about when you start your own business? Are you thinking about success and money and a better quality of life and all those things? And I'm just wondering, where things get sidetracked. And to me, it's fairly obvious is that success doesn't happen accidentally. It doesn't happen as the result of an accident. It happens because you have a really effective, strong, committed strategy in place. If you think about, coming up soon is the Super Bowl, obviously. How do teams win the Super Bowl? Does it happen accidentally? No, it doesn't, right? That type of success happens because they had a plan in place that they executed really well. And so if the end result is they want to win the Super Bowl and they want to hold this trophy up, how do they get there? Well, if you work your way backwards through that to where you are now, is you need to win the game before, and you need to win the game before that. And how do you win those games? Is you put a strategy in place that will help you achieve that goal to win that individual game. So if you reverse engineer that all the way to the beginning, to your starting point, you now have a roadmap in place to get to the end result, which is winning the Super Bowl or being successful. The same thing applies in your cleaning business. You have to ask yourself, at the end of 2018, at the end of December 31st, 2018, what do I want from my business? What is the goal? What is the success that I want from my business? If it's making $200,000 a year in revenue and putting 50, 60 grand of that in your pocket, then you just need to reverse engineer that back to the beginning. Where are you now and where do you want to be? So how do you get there? Well, you need a strategy. You need a game plan, right? You need something effective in place because it's not going to happen accidentally, right? So you need a real strategy, a real game plan in place to achieve the type of success you want from your cleaning business. If that is, a better quality of life, more money, more freedom, more time, and a flourishing, growing, predictable business, then that is what you need to put in place because it will not happen accidentally. How you do that is the next step, right? So how you do that, if you want a real game plan, a real strategy in place, I am always happy to jump on the phone with someone and help them understand what that looks like. So all you have to do is email me and say, hey, let's chat, and I will help you put that in place for your business. Anyways, I hope everybody has an amazing Monday, and I hope it's not as cold where you are, where it is where I am, because it's freezing here. And I hope you have a great week and a great Monday, and I hope your cleaning business continues to grow and flourish. Thanks so much.